Good day, everybody. This is Nelka again, and it's getting hot outside now here in Dubai. I will answer another question from our friend, and he's asking for how you. Sorry, where is this? How you put LED strips? This is strips maybe in room in DiaLux Evo. So, Mr. SRD John Vonjinovic, I will answer your question on how you will put your LED strips on your room using DiaLux Evo software. Let's use this office project as a sample for this LED strips creation. You can see I have here this small executive office, and I am planning to put some LED strips maybe in this one. I will create a cove light here, maybe here, and maybe in the side as well, and maybe on the wall. I will create a dramatic effect of LED strip on the wall. So, Mr. Okay, whoever you are, I hope you're excited, and let's go. Okay, let's create a cove here in the ceiling first. Select the ceiling, and then let's have a offset of maybe 0.15, and then let's have a ceiling thickness of 0.1, and you will have now a nice, oops, sorry, what's that? A nice cove effect on the ceiling. Okay, when you're doing your ceiling, make sure you created a lot of points, because you can see now there's the curvedness is not so nice. But anyway, this is just for the sample. Okay, now I have the cove ceiling here where we will put our LED strips. Okay, there you go. Okay, so your cove is ready now for your LED strip. Mr. Vojinovic, if you don't have or if you don't know any brand where you can get the LED strip eyes file, I would like to suggest. Yes, I'm not promoting. I'm just suggesting. I would like to suggest to go to the Tridonic website and then go for the LED engine and select for the. Let's go back and select something else. Maybe this one. Yeah. Okay. Let's go for the DiaLux engine and select maybe, for example, let's say this one, and then go and yeah. Here you go. You can download the IS files for these LED strips. There are two ways on how you will do it. Either you do it manually, like go and select this LED strip now. You do it manually like one by one, like this, or you will do it like in linear and then later adjust it like this and then adjust it, or you will create a reference line, a curve reference line, and then later you will follow that curve reference line. Okay, let's do like this. Let's do it imaginary and edit it later at the let's make it maybe, for example, 15. Then follow the shape 190 degrees and then apply. Yeah. So go back to the building and see if it fits in the cove. Okay. So now this one is 160, 170. Okay. I did it manually because the reference line is not working. This one is 98. Okay. There you go. And let's double check. Where's the executive and then elevation, and then select these lights. So it is properly. Is it? I think it is not. Okay, see, it is not. So we need to move it up. And then right click and move. Here, this is the right one. Okay, so I think this is fine. So now you have the LED strip on the curve. Okay, So we're done with the cove, and let's go for example in other places, like for example in this. This is very easy because it's straight line in this next drop ceiling. So go and select it. You should be in the ceiling tab, and then let's make another offset of 0.1. Make the ceiling thickness as 0.1, and then let's see. Now it's okay. This is what is the height, 2.5. Let's make it also 2.5. Okay. So what I can do now is, of course, it's very easy. Go to the executive. Again, the ceiling is not available here. I mean, the cove is not shown. So let's go back to the building and building tab, and then do it here. So we selected the LED strip again, and then let's use the draw line arrangement here up to here. Let's guess like maybe 15 again. Yes, 15 is perfectly fit cove. And then of course you have to make sure that it is in the 180 degrees orientation because it should be pointing upward. Okay, let's move it up because it's not on the right location. So let's double check. Yeah, it's here, and yeah. So now we have the cove lights. Let's run a calculation first. It is still calculating. Let's move a little closer here and see what is happening now in our okay. I think the cove light is still not open. This is the good thing about the DiaLux Evo. You can do something while it's, but not in a heavy file, I know. Yeah, because if it's heavy, then you will be having problem because it will hang. Let's wait for more. And okay. Ta-da! Amazing, right? Okay. I think the cove lighting is there now, and you can see that it's wow, this is working properly. So now Mr. Vojinovic, yeah, this is your cove lighting, and you know how to place your LED strip now here. So that's it. I will no, I will wait. I need to show you something. One more thing. How to use your LED strip. You can also place your LED strip. For example, you want this painting, a floating painting, like there's a light behind, or you want to put something like light behind this cabinet, or maybe something like here on the wall. Okay, let's do it first behind the painting. Let's do experiments. Okay, I love experimenting. Okay, first we will make this painting a floating effect painting, and another one here below the cabinet. So let's go to the top view, and again draw a line. No, press the draw line arrangement here up to here, but I think you need to select a lower lumen output because this is too much. So let's say 15 again. I love 15. No, make it 30 now. 10. Okay, fine, 10. And go to the elevation view and make sure it's on the cabinet. Move down and then place it here. Okay, I think you need to add more depth here. And then, okay, so there will be lights on your cabinets. And for the painting, let's go for the top view, to the top view again, and draw a line arrangement. And then, yeah, 3 is fine. Go to the side view or elevation view. What happened to you? Why are you there? And then move down. And make sure that the light is, where are we facing the light? first we need to move the painting a little farther from the wall. Okay, and then this light will be facing somewhere like, yeah, let's make it 180 also. So 180 degrees. I'm not sure the effect of this one. And then copy, and then go to the top view and paste, because you cannot paste it in the elevation view. And then move it down, and then make it, before it's 180 now, make it let it be 0 for all. Yeah. And then for the side, you need to create it on the side view. Let's see if it's possible. Draw a line, and let's maybe put 2. It's possible. Okay. And then go to the top view to check where it is located. Yeah, it's not proper, so rotate it and then move. Yes, and then just copy it and then paste, and then move it on the other side, and then of course rotate it. Okay, let's go and check. And yeah, alright, now we have LED strips on the cabinet. It will be like a furniture light, and then there will be a backlight on the painting. I don't like this painting. Who drew this one? I think it's me. Okay, let's apply with something else in painting. Lovely, Miss Servin. Okay, so I will have painting. And the other one technique that I'm telling you is, for example, you want to put a shelf here. Let's go and select this cut, rectangular cut. Okay, and let's limit the depth into 0.3 maybe, and another one here. Let's limit again into 0.3, and maybe I want a line of light here. This is the new trend in lighting. Yeah, okay. Let's limit it to 0.3 or 0.2. Okay, so I have 3 holes now. Is 1, 2, and then 3. And this light will be like, I will put LED here, and let's have a diffused one here. But let's put on the cabinet first. So let's go to the plan view and select the LED. Draw a line again and go here. Maybe you will need, okay, let's draw a line arrangement outside first, because it's not detecting the wall. Alright, so it's okay now like this, and move it. Okay, see, it's not detecting. And then let's put it down and make sure it's in the right position. Okay, and also on the other box. So let's just copy it. Copy and paste. And then place it somewhere here with the proper elevation. Should be here. Okay, alright. So now we have lights. You can do on the sides or from the bottom, or you can do it from the top, like what I did. And then maybe you can cover it with something else, so there will be, you cannot see the LED strip on that. Okay, and of course here on the top, on the little hole that I created, then we will create another one here. Let's go and go to the plan elevation view, because I found out that it's possible to put it in the elevation view. And then you may create, maybe for example 7. There you go, 7 is fine. Go to the plan view and check it's not located properly, and then move it here inside and make it rotated like this. This is not a correct rotation. This is the correct rotation. Rotate. There you go. Yeah. And then let's cover this box with maybe a diffuse glass, because it will create glare to the executive officer. So let's go to the object and put box.
Let's edit this one. Okay. Okay, let's make it 0.05, 0.1, and then let's go to the elevation view to check the height. So let's go and scale. There you go. And this side also, make sure it fits properly on the box. Why am I making? Let's make this hole a little bigger. There you go. There you go. Okay, I made the hole a little bigger.
So now I have this one, and then of course I will make this one a little transparent. So I'll go and select the material for the glass, and then put some texture on this one, and then go to the other side. Make sure the other side is not transparent, because it will be just transparent. So we're just going to make it diffuse. So let's go to the other side of this box, and let's make it. Oh, this is not part of your request now, Mr. Vojonik, Novojic, but I'm just making an impression. Oh my god. Let's pick a material as a sample and then apply it at the back. Okay. Why I did that? So it will not spread the light. It will become just a diffused one. Okay. You will get this one later on. So let's scale it a little, and let's move it now and fit it inside the box. Okay. So let's see what it will be look like. So I have, oh no, this is not good because it's facing the I think the LED will create glare. Anyways, let's experiment. Okay, let's run it and see you again later. Okay, it's getting lighted one by one. Something is lighted there. I should have turned off the spotlights to Mr. Bean. Oops, there we go. Lights are coming. Okay, there you go. Nice. So look at that. Have you seen the box, the floating cabinet? Mr. Bean's painting is not so good. Alright, so I think we made a nice presentation here. I have a cove light here and here. I just need to repair this one and this one. I also have cove light here. You can put some display and some maybe nice jewelry or watch or anything. Most executives has these collections. And look at this strip light. Amazing, right? And here we go. It's like a floating cabinet. It's good actually for counter areas or for display areas in retail shops. But this one, I think we failed to have a nice floating effect to Mr. Bean. I know now why. Because we cross the lights from both sides and it's creating shadow to the other side. Anyways, so there you go. I think this is amazing. And Mr. Novojic, I hope you learned something. So let's summarize. You can place your LED on top using either individual or circular arrangement or draw line arrangement, or You can use the using of the reference line. Okay, so you can also replace fittings or LED strip on the elevation view like what I did here. So you can run it like that. Either plan or elevation view, you can place your LED. Yep. So I hope you enjoy it and I hope you learned something. And yep, goodbye.